Now I want to say something before our academic leader, Honorable Vice Chancellor, say something. As I said, that Albiruni Foundation, founded in 2012. On my return from England, after finishing my PhD, I was thinking when I was there that I was actually got many privileges. I was teaching at King's College, so was FCO, and sometimes Oxford and Cambridge, Asset Language Cambridge and OCR Oxford. So I gathered huge knowledge there. So I was thinking, if I go back to Dhaka, then our academic culture here is different from Europe. The knowledge I acquired there, just here if I am a teacher, then I can't do anything. I can't use my knowledge I acquired there and all through my life. So I planned from actually in England that I will go back and I established Albiruni Foundation so that I can go through the path of millennium, 1,000 years history of and glory of Muslim civilization. So Albiruni, why I chose Albiruni? Because Albiruni is a greatest scholar. A.I. Sabra, a Western scholar, he said, the scholar like him will not come in the future. And George Sarton, he also said, nobody was like Albiruni and nobody will appear again like Albiruni. So I chose the Albiruni so that I can signify and I can study, I can make my nation, my student, my teachers involved in learning about Albiruni. You know, in our country when I was student, then very hardly people knows Albiruni. Someone think that Albiruni was a philosopher and he was an astronomer, astrologer, mathematician, geographer, historian, Indologist, and about medicine. So, medieval glory we lost, as I said in my welcome address. So, our university education system we have to rebuild and regenerate. We should not follow the West. We have to try to link with the medieval education system. Today we are just giving a certificate, and this certificate and class system actually do not provide proper knowledge to make people scholar, student scholar, scientist. In our country especially, we have completely lost our education system. Everything over the last 20 years went astray. So my next seminar will be on education system in Bangladesh. Educational reform. Because I have studied from Greek education system to Roman and Persian and Arab and Indian education system. So I am going to write a book, and very soon I will give idea how can we reform our system and how can we create not certificate, we should create the brain, enlightened brain, to transfigure their mind and soul so that they can contribute to the society and make the society prosperous and a successful country. Thank you very much.